Hi, today I am doing a Bosch VP44 pump. That's the common problem. This type of the control module is on the pump and is come like Ford Transit and Ford Focus diesel, and if you diagnose it, then you can see the error codes come like this: P1664 injection pump control module malfunction and P1564 injection control module request fueling. This type of code is coming on there. So if you have the problem of this one, we can remove your unit and we can fix it. But if you bring the unit same like as it is, so we can repair in 1 hour. So we are in Hounslow. We repair all type of EDU, EDC and gearbox ECUs, Megatronic unit and DSG unit as well, so instrument cluster as well. You can see my other videos. If you have like problem of this type of problem and the car not starting or long start, so we can do it your car if you bring the unit to us. We are in Hounslow. My postcode is Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, and my phone number is 07402536382, and you can contact me anytime through WhatsApp, email, or book the appointment and come and drop the unit and pick up same day or pick up next day. So we are in Hounslow near Heathrow. You can contact me through WhatsApp, phone, email, and you can see my other video. Thanks for watching. My name is Terry, so you can call Terry and you can contact me anytime. Thanks for looking the video. Okay, bye, take care.